So out of nowhere, this package shows up from Razer. I don't know what this is, but I'm assuming it's got something to do with the Razer Snake or the Razer Snacky Snack. Like, I don't know what's in here, mate, but it doesn't feel like a mouse or a keyboard or something. Of course, you gotta open up every parcel with a CSGO knife. It's very important. What has Razer sent me? I really don't know what to expect. I've not been told anything. This package just showed up with like a Razer logo on it. What is this? There's like a bunch of stuff in here, man. Whoa, what is going on? Oh, there's a notebook. What is this? Handmade in Germany. Shout out to everyone in Germany. Razer reusable straw pack. What? There's just a bunch of stuff in here. Merry Christmas from Razer. Hey, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year from Nick. Oh, this is lovely. Thank you, guys. It's just like a Merry Christmas card from like a bunch of people over at Razer. So here we have a Razer reusable straw pack. Didn't even know that was a thing. What is this all about? Are these actually like metal straws or something? Like, what else would it be? Oh, they really do go like above and beyond, Razer do. This thing nearly keeps falling over every few seconds. Look at this. Go green with Razer. Oh, this is pretty dope. This is pretty dope. Dude, they've like legit sent me. Oh man, it comes with like a straw cleaner and reusable straw. Mate, this is not what I expected whatsoever, but I now have my very own Razer straw. This is the one thing I needed to complete my collection, guys. A reusable Razer straw, all right? Now, before this thing falls over anymore, I actually do want to open up this mysterious looking package. Everything is in German on the back of it. It does say handmade in Germany. What? What is this? Hamburger winter? This is hamburger. What? What do you mean hamburger? I've been sent hamburger winter, you guys. Hamburger winter. The rest of it is also, everything is in German. I have no clue what this says. Why does it say hamburger? What is going on? All right, what else do we have? We have a cookie. Thank you so much, Razer. This is not what I expected whatsoever. I full on expected that there's gonna be like a snacky snack inside of here. I think it's only right that I taste test this hamburger winter. It does say vodka with a W. But it smells like apple juice. Straight up tastes like apple juice with maybe the tiniest hint of alcohol. It's the tiniest hint. I do appreciate the notebook that they actually sent me, because this appears to be an actual like daily calendar that I can continue to use for the rest of 2022. But this is gonna go all the way up to, December 2022. So this is a 1 year like daily calendar, like a daily journal. Pretty nice, man. I did actually want to buy a new notebook, so now I don't have to. I've got my Razer one. Let's do another taste test of this hamburger winter that I've been sent, using now my Razer straw. Dude, this straw extends. I thought this was just a tiny little straw. Hell no, dude, this thing extends. Look at the size of this straw. And it legit says like Razer on the actual straw itself. I had no idea. Look at this thing, dude. It like collapses into this. Wow. Even the telescopic brush extends. Of course it does. You can hook this up to your reusable straw. Basically, you could attach this to like your keys or your backpack. Awesome. I ain't gonna lie, I was 100% convinced that what Razer have sent me had been a snake or like a snacky snack, but one of my friends actually got me a snacky snack as a Christmas present. Let's open this thing up, dude. Thank you so much for giving me this, because I thought Razer actually gave me this already, but they didn't. Oh, this is a head pillow. What? You're joking. This thing is actually called the Sneaky Snack Edition Razer gaming chair head pillow. All right, you guys, I can finally rest my head in even more comfort with this Razer Sneaky Snack head pillow. The thing is pretty soft just from the get-go of like touching it. This is true luxury right here, guys. I ain't gonna lie, this is a good head pillow, all right? This is brilliant. It's so soft. I thought this was actually lumbar support, looking at it initially, but no, it's an actual head pillow. Like, this is dope. Let me just move my hamburger winter away on the other desk to make some space for another giveaway announcement, all right? Right now, we're currently doing a giveaway with Seagate Gaming. We're giving away a FireCuda 530 2TB Gen 4 NVMe M.2 SSD. You can enter if you're in Europe. You could have a chance to win this drive. Link in description to enter this giveaway. And to give back even more to all of you watching this video, I've teamed up with Razer to do another giveaway, all right? We have this package right here. I'm not gonna open it up. I'm gonna just remove the white packaging to show you what is actually here, all right? This is Razer's Power Up Bundle version 2, all right? I'm giving this away to one lucky winner. Massive shout out to Razer for sending me one a little while ago. We're doing a giveaway of this Power Up Bundle V2. What do you get? Well, you get a Black Shark V2X gaming headset, a Razer Synology Lite gaming keyboard, Razer Gigantus V2 large gaming mouse mat, and finally you need a mouse to complete your Razer gaming setup, so they also threw in the Razer DeathAdder Essential into this combo. So one lucky winner in the UK will win this entire Razer Power Up Bundle version 2, all right? I'm gonna leave all of the giveaway details in the description down below where you can enter to win this Power Up Bundle V2 from Razer. If you happen to win this thing, I might just deliver it to you myself. I'm gonna drive straight to you and we can deliver this package straight to you. We might even record the whole thing if you wanna be on camera, of course, that's up to you. But yeah, best of luck to everyone in this giveaway and in the Seagate giveaway we're currently doing for Europe, but the Razer one will most likely be UK only, just to make shipping this thing nice and easy. And if you're not too far away from me, I might just deliver this package straight to you myself. So best of luck in the giveaways, guys. Happy holidays. Tomorrow's video is gonna be me setting up a Razer Chroma Christmas tree, all right? No joke, we're gonna set up an actual Razer Chroma Christmas tree. Stay tuned for that video. Have a good Christmas, guys. I'll see you in another one soon. Tomorrow, actually, so goodbye.